Assemblers and fabricators. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Assemblers and fabricators assemble finished products and the parts that go into them. Work environment. The majority of assemblers and fabricators work in factories. Long periods of standing or sitting may be required for some tasks. The majority of them work full-time, with some evenings and weekends thrown in for good measure. How to become one. Depending on the industry and employer, different levels of education and qualifications are required for these positions. Although most jobs require only a high school diploma, more advanced assembly work necessitates experience and additional training. Salary. The median annual wage for assemblers and fabricators is $33,710. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, overall employment of assemblers and fabricators is expected to decline by 11%. However, many openings are expected each year because of the need to replace workers who leave the occupation. Thanks for watching. To get the most up-to-date career and educational videos, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.